my channel, How to Do Stuff with Zak and Bam. Microwave popcorn is bad for you, but you can make it at home. Here's how. Today we're gonna make stovetop popcorn on the stove. To make stovetop popcorn, here's what you need. Obviously, you need corn kernels. Next, you need vegetable oil. You're going to need a big metal pot like this and a lid. Pour a little oil off the bottom of the pot. You don't need a lot of oil, just enough to cover the popcorn. Put the pot on the stove and turn the heat into medium high. Let the oil get hot. Once it's nice and hot, add the popcorn and put the lid on it. If you're a little kid, get a grown-up to help you. Yeah, you need adult supervision. Listen for the popping sound. Every letter makes a sound that he says. Pop! While it's popping, be sure to shake it up. Be careful, you don't want it to burn. You jump around, jump around, jump up, get down. When the popping slows way down, it's done. Pour the popcorn in the bowl. Smells good. It does smell good, but it needs flavor. So we're gonna add salt and melted butter. We use sea salt. I'm gonna put this butter in the microwave for a few seconds. Pour melted butter to the popcorn and stir it up. No eating popcorn in the hall. Finally, add salt. And that is pretty much it. Simple and easy. Order up, dig in. You know what? It tastes banging. Yeah, that's awesome. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And mash the like button. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your popcorn. Peace. Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to put love in it.